Hey guys, Maple, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a what's inside my backpack haul. And I decided to do that because I haven't done it in a while. And yes, my hair is crazy since I woke up at like 2 or 3 hours ago. And yeah, so I decided to show you guys what's inside my backpack. And it's the weekend, which is awesome. So this is a backpack. I had this cute little keychain on it. And I have my water bottle inside. And then I also have some of my earbuds for testing. Since we need earbuds for the sound check. And so you guys can hear that meowing in the background. And then I also got these sour cream and onion chips. These were supposed to be my snack, but I didn't get a chance to eat it. So, let's send. I'm gonna have my weekend homework, which is write about a time I'll never forget. A time I'll never forget what my teacher is. So I did that. And then I also have my planner, and this planner is where I write down what I have for homework every single day. And as you can see, I've done my homework in here that I need to finish. And then we also did this like art project thingy. I kind of hated it. It's supposed to look like a hand going through a shadow. It looks better in camera than in person. First time it actually looks better. So I put that in there. And then I also have my jacket, which I can't take out right now. And then I have a bunch of papers in here that should not be in here. All of this should not be in here. All of this should not be in here. So I just have a lot of trash in here. Okay. So I have a bunch of trash in my backpack. And then I also have my homework binder. This is where I store all my homework for the day before, and I have my weekend to-do list on this side. It says this is my after-school morning routine, and I actually 3 of these, so I can change them out, and this one kind of fell. This was when I was going to Baker's Water Park with Trinity, but that didn't really work out that well. Then I wrote, go to school, boo. No offense, school, I just don't like you. Well, after a weekend, you're just like, I don't want to get up. Like after like a 2-week of break, you're like, it's time to go back to school. You're like, no. Well, let me just put that back there. Then I have my after-school morning routine. Is take a break until 4 o'clock, do homework for 1 hour, go to a friend's house, eat dinner, brush teeth, take a shower, free time until 8 o'clock to 8:30, get ready for a while, go to bed at 9 o'clock, so 8:30. Oh, I have to go to bed at 9 o'clock. My bedtime is 8:30. Sometimes if I convince my mom to let me stay up a little bit earlier. This is my homework for the weekend. I'm already done with it. I did at school. Oh, hi guys. I just realized I have guys in here. Okay. Pull this back. And yeah, so that's basically the things I have in my backpack. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment down below what is your guys' favorite challenge, and I'm going to leave you guys a challenge to do for this video. And what I want you to do is leave your questions down below, and leave your questions down below that you guys want me to ask. I'll write them down on this paper and on this sticky note, and I'll try to answer as much as I can. I don't know how much I am going to make, but I have several sticky notes. So then I'm also going to give you guys a challenge to do. The challenge is it's get this video to 100 likes. I know you guys can do it, and I'm sorry this looks backwards on camera, but it says get this video to 100 likes. So please get this video to 100 likes, and I will do a challenge that you guys have suggested. And also, leave your challenges down below. And if you guys want me to do a challenge, I will try to do that. And I'll also leave this right here, just so I don't forget it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. It's totally free. I mean, why would I have to pay you guys to subscribe to me? That makes no sense. So, it's free. Go ahead and subscribe. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to do anything. All you need to do, hit the subscribe button, and you'll be notified whenever my videos go up. And share this video with your friends. And the number one priority is to subscribe. You don't have to. You don't want to, but I'm still saying if you want to get notified when my videos go up, and then subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at American Girl Lover. And also, and don't forget to go check out my Musical.lys. My Musical.ly name is April Supergirl. So go to my Musical.ly page, and you guys can see all my Musical.lys. And the one that's like very first for getting the Patriot outfit is my first one. And I know I did the one like 7 years. That was my first time ever doing a Musical.ly that I actually uploaded to YouTube. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. And comment down below any questions you have for me, or you can just comment down below what other challenges you want me to do in the future. So, see you next time.